Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by interrupting the spiral. Stop, breathe, and reset. Take a 30 to 60 second pause and do 3 deep breaths in a 4-4-4 rhythm to calm your heart and focus. Once done, pick one simple objective for the next round, fix your economy, hold a specific angle, or communicate one call-out. This reduces overwhelm and gives your brain a narrow, actionable target. Do this immediately after a bad round, so you break emotion-driven play before it compounds. You must convert calm into consistent decisions by using micro goals and routines. Once calm, set small targets like winning 1 duel or surviving 2 rounds to rebuild confidence. Make a quick mental note of your tilt triggers, trash chat, blame, or repeating the same mistake so you can avoid them. Then apply a tactical routine every round. Reset crosshair, check utility, and pace your peaks. This blends psychological control with mechanical repetition, so your body and mind default to steady, deliberate play. Finish sessions with a focused review and a clear reset plan. You should watch one short clip or demo to identify a single fixable habit. Don't overload. If you still feel tilted, step away for 15 to 30 minutes, drink water, and do light movement to reset physiology. Make one constructive voice line to your team to rebuild morale. Keep it short and actionable. If problems persist, repeat the pause and breath routine and adjust micro goals until your decision-making returns to baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.